Adrian, we are working for now so many years across the two disciplines, engineering and pharmaceutical sciences. You bring expertise in process and polymer engineering, and from our side, it is pharmaceutical science. It worked very well. I know that you have several years of experience in working with processing materials at high temperature, with high force, what will happen to them. And that experience that has resulted in the innovation, which is thermoplastic granulation.
Yeah, it's a great example of the impact of our technology on local industry. Was our work with a local manufacturer of vitamins and nutraceutical products, where the thermoplastic granulation was introduced through a knowledge transfer partnership.
When we see it looks to be a very simple thermoplastic granulation is melt something, a low melting material, use it as a binder, and that binder will make small balls, small granules of the material, which will easily flow and can be compressed into tablet. Though the process looks to be simple, it requires a lot of understanding about how the materials, powders will behave, how melting will occur. Our science, which we have knowledge here in the university for a long time, has been transferred to the company, and it made huge impact on the company.
Yeah, and a key component of that project was that fundamental research that was carried out within our laboratories within the university was then transferred to the company and scaled up and used directly in production on their shop floor. And through our partnership, the company were able to make significant savings on material supply. They were able to use materials from within the UK rather than having to buy pre-granulated, more expensive materials from Germany. They have more flexibility in what they're able to do with the materials and the range of products they're able to make, and they were able to improve the quality of their products.
What company has also achieved is number of jobs which are created in the company, number of jobs created in the supply chain, but at the same time there are few jobs which have been saved because of this, which otherwise would not have been there.
That's right, and that enabled them to keep or grow their share of the market with their improvements in the process and their cost savings.
Yeah, and that has resulted in company investing more, few million pounds, and in generating the new expanding their current manufacturing facility, which is a big impact for the region.
I think the whole innovation culture of the company has changed, and the continued collaboration has, I think, potentially implications in wider sectors as well, such as pharmaceutical, cleaning, veterinary areas. So the crystal engineering aspects we're now looking into could have significant implications too and impact.
And company may become one of the leading company in the crystal engineering technology also.